Guys, welcome back. So when you board a flight for the first time, how it feels? It feels great, awesome. Similarly, when a private company comes to public domain for raising money, for raising capital through the mode of shares, by offering shares to the public, like us, like individuals or institutions, it is known as IPO, initial public offering. So how it starts, what is the process, we'll not discuss in very deep, but yes, we'll discuss it. When a company wants to get registered in IPO, it takes near about 6 to 9 months if all the process are followed properly to register the firm into IPO, initial public offering. So we have shares NSE and BSE where company gets registered. For that, they need to have their IPO out in public domain. Now, why means you must be thinking why a company goes into sharing their shares to public or to institutions. Reason behind this is basically many of the companies are in debt. So to repay the debt or to raise the fund, normally, easily, or to have the capital growth, to raise the capital to a certain extent. So if, let's say, if I am a company, if I want to raise money if I want to raise money, for that I need to take loan from bank or any institution. So that is very costly because the rate of interest is high. But if I am coming with my IPO, if I am coming to public, and if I am raising money through that, it is obviously less. It reduces our cost of raising capital, and it increases the value of the company in market. So this is how it works. Like if you are searching about any company, like if we are searching about any company, we value that company, or company is valued on the basis of their IPO share price. Like if many people wants to invest in that company, the share price will go up. If not, it will go down. So this is how company value is also decided by this IPO. Now, IPO means for the first time if a company is coming to public. Now, if I want to come public, who all will be the public? Why anyone will invest in me, whereas they even don't know what kind of, why would they invest in me without having, I have not given return to anyone. I have just offered a price that these are the prices, I'll be offering my share to you. Are you interested? So for that, they have in back end what happens. Any company, if they wants to come in public, they have a kind of, they take help of that investment bankers. So they actually helps them in fixing the price. What should be the price of a share? Like let's say if a share, like a company I can have an IPO in this year with a share price of 30 rupees as well, and with a share price of 500 rupees as well. So now what is the logic behind this? How the share price is being decided? It should be 30 or 35 or 400. So this is being done by the backend team. They actually share their prospectus, a lengthy prospectus to the one who are interested in investing in their company, in their firm, to that kind of institution. So they share their prospects and prospectus to them. On the basis of that and many more, it is obviously on the basis of demand and supply kind of thing. So they have a kind of complete analysis. On the basis of that, share price is decided. So as it should not be overpriced, and it should not be less priced as compared to what it is worth it. So like if it will be overpriced, share will not be sold. So it will be also a kind of loss to organization. And if it is a price which should be like price is lower than the actual real price of that that share, obviously the investor, the firm would get less price, less money out of that raising fund. So for that, what they do, the share price is decided, but normally share price is little bit the opening means the offering price, you can say the first price, it is issues known as issue price, is normally few amount less than the what is the real value of that share. So let's say I'll take an example of 2019 share. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank was launched in 2019 and it broke many record. Like it has break the record of IRCTC as well. It was like, if you need to start, if a company is going to start going to be enter into IPO, they have a fixed like kind of amount that I have to raise this much amount, and these are my issue prices. So I am issuing my share on this price and this is the amount I want to raise. So these are the things which is predefined before launching before launching that into the IPO. Now for Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, I guess it was they had to raise 750 crore out from this IPO release, and share price was almost about 37 rupees, so near about 37 rupees. What they did, it was oversubscribed by I guess 165 times. Means this was the highest subscription of an IPO in 2019, because in 2020, because of this pandemic, there are very few releases which has happened in IPO. So I'll be taking the example of 2019 only. For IRCTC, it was the price was I guess 320 rupees, and they had to raise almost 650 crore out of this IPO release. It was also oversubscribed by 111 times. So this is how it happens. Now, if I am starting an IPO, why a public would invest in me? Like this is something like if Ujjivan was, they had started at 37, issue price was 37 rupees. So if I have invested, if I am getting that share, I'll get that share in 37 rupees. On the very same day, it happens like opening price, closing price, high price. So high, I guess it went around 70s, and closing price was around 50 to 55. So if I have invested, if I have received the share, I have invested the share at 37 rupees per share. If the lot was of 400 share also, and share price is closing at 55, so the difference amount 37 and 55, so the difference amount I have gained in a day on a single share. This is how it works. That's why people wants to invest in a share when it is opening, in IPO. That's why people wants to invest. So these are the things which goes behind the launch of an IPO to the launch of an IPO. Now there are multiple things involved. Like they'll make a hype, or they'll kind of it will be advertised everywhere that this IPO is coming. Then only people will know, and they'll invest in that IPO. Then only the purpose of coming as an IPO for any organization is something fulfilled. So thank you everyone, and keep watching this space for more videos like